districts, 341 blocks, 3,354 Gram Panchayats, nearly 40,000 villages, and 50 million rural citizens. For the Department of Panchayats and Rural Development in West Bengal, the monitoring and supervision of development work undertaken in each village is not surprisingly one of their most challenging tasks.
As far as our department is concerned, all our works are spread over 38,000 plus villages. We don't have any village where we are not present, where not something is being done. And to monitor these things on a real-time basis had been a major difficulty.
Enter mGov or governance through the mobile phone.
আমাদের নিড অ্যাসেসমেন্ট স্টাডি থেকে আমরা দেখেছি যে এনআরইএস এর কাজে সেমি স্কিলড ওয়ার্কারদেরও 40-এর নিচে যাদের বয়স তাদের সকলেরই মোবাইল ফোন রয়েছে। এই ধারণাটাকে কাজে লাগিয়েই আমরা আমাদের গ্রামোন্নয়ন দপ্তরের কাজে এই মোবাইল প্রযুক্তির ব্যবহারে করেছি।
The mobile-based system was tried out in 3 initiatives: to track attendance and payments under the National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, to track training modules undertaken under the state's self-help group program, and to track regular water testing carried out by various water labs across the state. At the heart of the system was a simple concept: the sending of an SMS.
মোবাইল ফোন সকলের কাছে থাকার জন্য আমরা যে প্রযুক্তিকে ব্যবহার করেছি তাতে আর সবাইকে মোবাইল ফোন দিতে হয়নি। তারা তাদের নিজস্ব মোবাইল থেকেই যেভাবে এসএমএস পাঠিয়ে থাকে ঠিক সেই পদ্ধতিতেই একটা স্ট্রাকচারড এসএমএস পাঠিয়েছে।
The architecture of this SMS-based system of governance is simple. For the NREGS and SHG programs, the name of the program is entered, followed by an 8-digit location code, the date, and then information about the number of men and women who were present. For the water testing updates, a form-based system is transferred to the phone, into which the different values derived from the testing can be fed.
New dimension that you can monitor right at the place of occurrence, right at the time when it is happening. So we gain both in terms of the dimension of space and in the dimension of time. That's a major advantage. So it's a real-time monitoring.
The information sent from the phone as an SMS is immediately uploaded to a server that updates the information, making it accessible on the net in real time. The system is thus both efficient and cheap.
Introducing this mobile governance in those areas where there is no connectivity, internet or modem, all these things, this is important, and that is possible through the mobile technology. And here this is easier to adopt, and it is building capacity of the users also easier, and it is cheap in comparison to other mode of communication.
More importantly, it helps touch lives of the poorest of the poor. Benefits of the project. The Mobile Governance Initiative is the first ever experiment of its kind by any government body in India. Because it makes real-time monitoring of work being carried out in far-flung areas a possibility, it promises to revolutionize the manner in which governance is carried out. Citizen services delivery through mobile phones may well be the next step in the use of ICT for development because of its accessibility, affordability, availability, people-friendliness, and interactivity.